Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. So basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by use the application, open QCY app. And if you add your earbuds here, you will see the same menu. Now we need to go to the sound at the middle top. And right here we have ambient sound control. So to enable transparency, just tap at the transparency. To disable this mode, you need to swap to ANC or to normal mode. It's up to you. Now, as I said previous, we can use gestures, and by default, to enable transparency mode, you need to press and hold the touch area on your right earbud. Touch areas located at the back side. Right here at the top, we have it. So you just press and hold, and from normal mode, you will swap to transparency mode. To disable transparency mode, you need to press and hold again, and first you will swap to ANC. If you don't like this mode, you just press and hold again, and you will swap to normal mode. So this is by default. But we can customize it, we can add it for another gesture. You need to go to the settings at the also middle top, and right here we have it. So you can add it for the single press, double press or triple press. And for the left and right earbud, it's up to you. Just tap at the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add it for the single press. Just tap on it, then scroll down and select ANC switching. And now, as you can see, if I press one time at my left earbud, right earbud, I will swap to transparency mode. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.